Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2023. Question number 4 is a gaseous fuel mixture with molar analysis of 72% CH4, 9% H2, 14% N2, 2% O2 and 3% CO2 burns completely with moist air to form gaseous products of combustion at 1 atmosphere, comprising CO2, H2O and N2 only. If the dew point temperature is 60 degrees Celsius, P saturation is equal to 0.1992 bar. Determine the amount of water vapor present in the combustion air in kilomole per kilomole of fuel mixture. 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01325 bar. So, forming the chemical reaction considering 100 kilomole of total fuel mixture. So, if 100 kilomole of total fuel mixture is considered, then 72 kilomoles will be of CH4, 9 for H2, 14 for N2, and 2 for O2, and 3 for CO2, as this is the percentage given. Okay, suppose X kilomoles of O2 is used, or we can say X plus 3.76 X moles of air is used, because air amount is this. As moist air is used, so there will be some water also in it, so, so they have Y moles, Y kilomoles of H2O is there. So this is the reactant and end product are given as CO2, H2O and N2. So CO2, if we balance carbon, then here will be 70, carbon 72 here, here 75. And if we balance H2, so here 9, and for H2 it will be 36, 36 to 9, 45 plus Y. Okay, so here it will be 45 plus Y. If we balance N2, then here only will be a 3.76 X N2 X. If N2 is here 3.76 X, so here also 3.76 X. So this will be the complete chemical reaction, and the partial pressure of water vapor here, this the fuel will be divided by total pressure will be number of moles of H2O divided by total number of moles. Okay, so here we need to find out the partial pressure of water vapor, and at dew point temperature the saturation pressure is given. So that is the partial pressure of air. Oh, sorry, partial pressure of water vapor in air. Okay. So saturation temperature at partial pressure of water vapor is called dew point temperature. So reverse is also true. This is your dew point temperature. This is the pressure of water, and the pressure remains same. This is the constant pressure, heat addition. So if temperature is this also, then the dew point temperature will be partial. The saturation pressure at dew point temperature will return partial pressure. So that will be a 0.1992 bar, that is given, and total pressure is 1.01325 bar. So and number of moles of H2O is 45 plus Y, and this total moles are 75 plus 45 plus Y plus 3.76 X in end products. Okay. So from this we can also balance O2 here. If we balance O2 here, then here with 2 plus 3 plus X plus Y by 2. 2 plus 3 plus X plus Y by 2. And here it will be 75 and 45 plus Y by 2. Okay. So Y by 2 will cancel out, so X will be a 92.5. Now we can put X here and find out Y. Good. Then only unknown will be here y. So y will be here 58.46. So that is a 0.5846 uh, number of moles of H2O in 100 in 1 kilomole of fuel mixture. But we have considered total number of moles as of fuel as 100. So number of kilomoles of H2O is per kilomole of fuel mixture is 0.58. Is the